Hey, what's up guys, welcome back to my channel. For today's video I'm gonna be talking about how you can make money through YouTube. So stick to the end because I have some things to mention that will blow your mind. Like how much YouTube pays for 1,000 views. Is it always the same? How do YouTube calculates watching hours, and many more. And you probably know nothing about it, or you just heard it before but no one confirmed these things to you. So without any further ado, let's get started. The first question is, what is YouTube Partner Program? It is a comprehensive partner program that YouTube provides for content creators, delivering support and monetization opportunities and more. So how to join this program? First, you need to meet the requirements, the criteria YouTube puts to make you eligible to join. First, agree on YouTube policies. Second, make a Google Adsense account, which doesn't stop your channel from monetization but will stop you from getting paid. I'll talk about that in a second. Third, getting reviewed after meeting the monetization requirements. So, the first part, which is to agree on YouTube policies, it is not actually a thing to achieve. These are just checkboxes that you have read the policies and you agree on it, and that's all. Like copyrights, terms of service, and many more. You can check that by heading to your YouTube studio and then Earn tab, and you're gonna find here monetization policies. Or you can just search that. And that's for the first thing you need to do. So what about Google AdSense? I'll make it easy for you. It is responsible for showing the ads on your YouTube videos, and they are the one responsible for getting you paid. So I'll give you some tips that you really should know, so your process won't be delayed and going as smooth as possible. First thing to mention is that can have a Google AdSense account ready to go without even having a YouTube channel. You can just add your sites after making that account. Second thing, try to make an account with a different email address than the one linked to your YouTube account, just in case something happened, like if Google AdSense didn't approve your account. I have tried to make an account without knowledge and it took me lots of tries, and if it failed once, you will have to change your data like name and address and so on. So kindly follow some trusted videos on how to make an account. It will save you so much troubles. Now you have an AdSense account that is ready to go. Now let's get to the last point, which is meeting the requirements to get your channel monetized. So this one is divided into two parts. Just be noted that it was not always that way. It is just the update. So the first part is you have to have 500 subscribers with 3 public uploads. Means that your videos must be public and not private or unlisted in the last 90 days, and one of the following: either 3K valid public watching hours in the last 12 months or 3 million public charts views in the last 90 days. So what that does, it unlocks some benefits, like the first one is membership. So it is basically your fans paying you for special perks. When you go to someone's channel, you're gonna find the join button beside the subscribe one. And to explain it even more, I'll take the chance to talk about the ones I have. So memberships has levels, and each level has a name and some perks, which are the offers you give to your fans, and every level has a price, and you have the freedom to determine all of that yourself. So for level 1, it is called the supporter level, and as it says, it is just you supporting my channel to keep going, so thanks in advance. Level 2 is called super fan, and which is me giving you the source file of the videos I upload so you can study, practice coloring, or just follow along. So it is your call to do whatever you want to do with it. Level 3, which is the elite. For this one, you get all the perks from the previous ones, and also getting your art reviewed by me, and also helping you to improve like a mini course. So feel free to contact me after you join. Level 4, which is ask and deliver. And again, it is all the above, and you get to name the topic for the next video, which is kinda big since I like my videos being loaded with info. The last one is a private educational video. So you get to ask me for a topic that you want to learn, and I'll send you a video. And also, since you get all the above, so you get the source file and also you get your art reviewed. So it is like a full course. So now you can tailor those levels and perks regarding your need and what you offer to your fans. What is the second benefit? It is what called supers. So super chat, super stickers, and super thanks. So it is like your loyal fans talking to you while streaming on a kinda a private chat, so it is super. And also when they use stickers or emojis, their comments is highlighted since they purchased that. It is a type of you encouraging someone while streaming to keep spirits up. And then finally, there is a tab called Thanks, which is basically a donation. The next benefit in that first part, don't forget we're still only on the first part of monetization, which is 500 subscribers and 3k of watching hours. So it is called shopping, and it opens like 3 stores for you, like Spring, PretShop, and Shopify. It helps you to make your own custom products and sell it to your fans. So if I have like a piece of art, I just put it there on shirts, mugs, bags, and so on. And if your fans feel like they want to take like a sip from a cup of tea that has like one of your drawings, so yeah, good luck with that. And that, guys, what happens when you meet the first part of YouTube requirements. So what about the second part? Okay guys, for this one you need to increase your subscribers into 1000 instead of 500, also in the last 90 days. And one of the following, either 4000 public watching hours instead of 3k in the last 365 days, or 10 million public shorts views in the last 90 days. So again, what are the benefits that get unlocked? The first one is ad and YouTube Premium. And how that actually works, YouTube put some ads like before, during, and after, and also around your videos on the watch page. And advertisers pay a certain amount of money. Also, those who have a YouTube Premium account, you also earn some money when they watch your content. And the second one is the same, but for shorts. So to wrap things up, when your YouTube channel is monetized, you get memberships, supers, shopping, watch page ads, and shorts feed ads. Now let's get into the part when I tell you some secrets. So buckle up and here you go. First one, after monetization, do I get paid for the views before? And the answer is
nope.
You don't get a penny even if you have like millions of views. I'm sorry. So you just need the requirements and then you start from zero. So what is CPM and RPM? In a brief, CPM, which is cost per mile, which is the amount of money advertisers pay for 1,000 views of your videos in order to show ads. And RPM, which is revenue per mile, which is what you actually get after YouTube takes their cut, which is 45%. So if advertisers put like $10, then you get 5.50 cents, and YouTube gets 4.50. But is that all? Actually, no. It is not always that way, since some fans might use ad blockers, so that means your RPM might even go lower than that. So keep that in mind. So YouTube take their cut first and then they leave the rest to you. But what about Google Adsense? Does it get a piece of it too? And the answer is sometimes yes. Don't know the exact percentage, but they ask you to fill a form that will reduce the amount to a small percentage if your country has like a tax agreement with the US tax policies. So how much YouTube pays per 1,000 views? And the answer depends on the niche. Let's say an example. Like if your channel is purely finance and money, then you get paid like the highest. Don't know the rankings of other niches, but I guess entertainment, gaming, art is kinda in the lower mid-range, so keep that in mind. It also depends on the region of those who are watching your videos. So watching views like, let's say, from US and Canada are not the same as Asia and Africa, with all the respect to you all, but that's YouTube policies regarding many factors, I guess. So how YouTube actually calculates the 4,000 watching hours? You need to know when they say in the last 365 days, they actually mean that. They don't have a specific date to start and a specific date to end. Not saying like, hey, we calculate the watching hours from the beginning of January 2024 to the end of December 2024. That's not actually how it works. I'll try to give an example and make it as easy as possible. So let's say you started at the 20th of March 2024. Like you uploaded your first video and then continued to upload others, and time passes till you get to the 20th of March 2025 and you still didn't hit the 4,000 watching hours for like the ads and get fully monetized. So what YouTube does is that every day you go further than the 20th of March, say like the 20th of March 2025, then they calculate the watching hours 365 days back, which takes us to the 21st of March 2024. So what about the video I uploaded on the day before? It hit alone like 1,000 watching hours. Unfortunately, you lose those hours. So you go to like the 1st of April 2025, then they calculate the last 365 days to the very 1st of April 2024. So whatever the date you are at right now, YouTube just calculates 365 days before. I hope you get this one, because some people track the watching hours, leaving it to a certain number, and then they go to the next day to see the number decreased. So that's how. How long it takes to get your channel reviewed after monetization, or your personal info and address on Google Adsense. They sometimes says like it takes 2 weeks, other times like 3 weeks or whatever. I would recommend just keep track on the emails you get, since it doesn't always take the time they say. When do I get paid? The answer is you gotta meet first a threshold, which is $100 first on YouTube. And after that, Google Adsense will collect that and they pay if you meet that threshold. I guess on the 21st of each month. I don't know if that's right or not, since I haven't get paid yet. If you met the threshold. If not, then it just adds to the next month. Like if you had on the first month like $50 and then you entered the next month, then they will shift those 50 and you start from that number till you meet the threshold. Finally guys, this video is just to encourage you to start, but not blindly. You gotta collect your data and work with a plan to accelerate the process. And for you who are interested to know how long it took me, it actually took me 6 months when I started to be consistent with uploading. So guys, that was my experience. I have shared, I guess, everything I know and all the tips and secrets that I have with you guys. So thank you guys for watching and I wish the best to you all. So See ya.